Humanity recounts a great deluge, a cleansing fire from above.
But what if this wasn't merely a natural disaster?
An intelligence far beyond our understanding guided the catastrophe.
For centuries, shadows concealed the true architect of the flood.
Fragmented evidence surfaced through time, dismissed as mere myth.
Until modern technology pierced the veil of the deep.
What they found defied every known law of physics.
A colossal, ancient machine, slumbering for millennia.
Its purpose, not creation, but cosmic recalibration.
Governments, alerted to the discovery, mobilized in secret.
A global directive: secure, contain, and deny.
They pieced together a terrifying truth from fragments.
Evidence of an advanced civilization manipulating our very planet.
They weren't merely observers, they were cultivators.
Ancient texts hinted at these sky gods, bringers of both life and destruction.
Now, their return was imminent, heralded by strange phenomena. The skies above us were no longer solely ours.
Air forces scrambled, ill-equipped for what they faced.
Their technology defied every known scientific principle.
A silent war was brewing, on the precipice of public revelation.
Recovered debris whispered tales of interstellar journeys.
Their language, a complex tapestry of light and energy.
The highest echelons grappled with an unthinkable enemy.
Classified information flowing through clandestine channels.
Connecting the ancient deluge to their current presence.
I'm telling you, they knew. They absolutely knew about the encounters and they buried it.
Whistleblowers risked everything to expose the truth.
They witnessed the original terror, etched into collective memory.
The cleansing, a brutal reset orchestrated from above.
Their return began with subtle, unsettling disturbances. Panic quickly spread as the unseen became undeniable.
Official narratives crumbled under the weight of visual proof.
Our most advanced defenses rendered utterly obsolete.
Futility in the face of their advanced capabilities. A chilling realization dawned. We were outmatched.
Their surveillance was pervasive, omnipresent, unseen.
Humanity's desperate attempt to comprehend, to adapt.
To turn their own weapons against them. A fragile hope.
Deciphering the ancient messages,
foretelling their purpose.
The stargazers of old warned of cosmic cycles.
New discoveries linked the present threat to the past flood.
A device capable of immense, planetary-scale manipulation.
The submerged structure, now stirring, awakening.
Its dormant energy now radiating, signaling a new phase.
The ocean itself began to respond to its awakening.
Seismic shifts, predicting another great environmental upheaval.
Foreshadowing a future humanity was desperate to avert.
A military force, a fragile shield against the inevitable.
The truth, finally breaching the wall of official silence.
A world facing an existential threat, confronting its true place.
Decoding the invaders' strategy, their cosmic agenda. A warning, a mark, or a chilling transformation?
But hope persisted in the pockets of human defiance.
To fight fire with fire, empowered by their own tools.
Humanity's final stand, augmented by stolen knowledge.
From the ocean's abyss, they emerged in force.
The Great Flood was merely a precursor, a warning. Humanity's desperate struggle against overwhelming odds.
A glimmer of hope, turning their own power against them.
But their numbers were endless, their resolve unwavering.
Civilization fractured, burning under an alien sky.
Yet, the human spirit, resilient, refused to break.
The ancient texts revealed a countermeasure, long forgotten.
A hidden frequency, a cosmic wavelength of disruption.
Our final hope, a signal broadcast to turn the tide.
A desperate gamble, a strike against their core.
Their technology, so advanced, yet vulnerable to its own echoes. Chaos erupted amongst the invaders, a brief window. Humanity pressed its advantage, a fierce, desperate counterattack.
Ignited, a firestorm against the darkness.
The ancient machine, the source of their power, weakening.
Great Flood's architect, finally undone by its own legacy. The cosmic tide receded, but at a terrible cost.
A world scarred, forever changed, but not entirely lost.
The memory of the deluge, now reborn in living terror.
Understanding their technology, a desperate measure for survival.
power they wielded, now within humanity's grasp.
A fragile piece, forged in the crucible of invasion.
A vigilant future, built upon the lessons of the past. A planetary shield, a promise against future darkness.
The quest for deeper understanding, a legacy for humanity.
They warned of a cycle, a cosmic gardener's recurring visit. But did they truly depart, or merely retreat and observe?
For beyond our star, countless eyes still watch our fragile world.
The secret of the Great Flood, a chilling chapter for mankind.
Ancient warnings, once dismissed, now hold profound truth.
Remnants of their presence, woven into our very history. Even our own DNA holds traces of their early intervention. Accelerated evolution, a gift or a controlled experiment. Humanity's future, forever intertwined with their legacy. The hope of a new generation, ignorant of the deeper shadows. The cycle continues, relentless, unforgiving. Watching, waiting for the next great cleansing. The ancient calendar, counting down to another event.
A cosmic alignment, triggering their return once more.
Humanity prepares, armed with painful experience.
From the void, the true architects resurface, limitless.
The final battle, a testament to our enduring will. Against impossible odds, we fight for our home.
Their ultimate weapon, poised to reset existence.
One last hope, a desperate strike at the heart. Through fire and fury, aiming for their core.
Within the behemoth, the true seat of their power.
The source of the floods, the orchestrator of all cycles.
To disrupt the cycle, to break the cosmic chains.
A cosmic scream echoes as their control shatters.
Victory, hard won, but forever scarring. The blue marble, forever changed, forever wary.
Humanity's resilience, its capacity to endure and rebuild.
A united planet, forged from cosmic crucible. Remembering the fallen, learning from the great deluge. No longer bound to our cradle, we reach for the stars. Seeking new homes, new beginnings, a universe of possibilities.
Understanding their intentions to prevent another cycle.
future uncertain, but humanity, unbroken, stands ready.
For the universe is vast, and we are not alone.
Their stories now serve as a testament, a solemn warning.
The echoes of the deluge, a constant reminder of our cosmic place.
A fragile blue marble, eternally vigilant.
The secret of the Great Flood. No longer a secret, but a promise.
The universe awaits, and we are ready.